Radiowroclove.com.
First question is, have you ever had any problems with getting a license to play on stage because of the heavy equipment you're using? I don't know, some fire safety issues or health and safety?
Yeah, the firemen at Wroclaw Opera had some problems, and we had to use driller instead of flex saw.
And that was enough for them to let you on the stage?
Yes.
And originally, the factory that did you all meet there at the factory, or how did that happen? What factory was it? That's the question I really wanted to ask. What did they produce at that factory?
Of refreshing soda.
Okay, refreshing soda. I'm wondering whether, you know, if that had been, say, a teddy bear factory, would that have influenced your sound? It would have been softer.
Yes, probably it would be softer. But it was a soda factory, so there were many pipes and plastic barrels, and we used that, so the sound is just like that.
Czy ty to ty, czy aby to na pewno ty, czy ty to ty, czy aby to na pewno ty, czy ty to ty, czy